case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The 1994 Northwest Forest Resource Council v. Espy case saw the U.S. District Court for District of Columbia intertwining with the obscurity of the Federal Advisory Committee Act, FACA, setting the stage for an engaging legal dispute involving transparency, accountability, and federal bureaucracy. The controversy began when the Northwest Forest Resource Council, NFRC, questioned the unlit operations of the Forest Ecosystem Management Assessment Team, FEMAT. The NFRC asserted that as an advisory committee, FEMAT should have been subject to the transparency and public accountability rules of FACA. This would have essentially granted the public and the NFRC access to FEMAT proceedings. A counterpoint arose as the defendants, including FEMAT and the Secretaries of Agriculture and Interior, disputed FEMAT's classification as an advisory committee under FACA, and even challenged the constitutionality of the act itself. The court's decision swung the pendulum towards FACA compliance, ruling that FEMAT did, in fact, fall under the bounds of an advisory committee. It circumvented the lawsuit brought forth by the defendants and branded FEMAT's proceedings from April 2, 1993 to July 16, 1993, in violation of FACA's requirements for proper advisory committee operations. The legal duel reached a crescendo as the court granted the plaintiffs' request for a declaratory judgment, ruling that FEMAT was indeed subject to FACA, and their 1993 proceedings were a breach of the act. However, the court stopped short of issuing an injunction, a move that would respect the separation of powers principle. The reverberations of the ruling, as well as its implications, was left to the scrutiny of other courts in future cases. This landmark case underscored the importance of transparency and accountability within government-based advisory committees, leaving a significant imprint on federal bureaucracy.
Case briefs and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.